Hello, loves. Reading to you poems from my new book, Writing by Heart, A Poetry Path to Healing and Self-Discovery, published by New World Library, available everywhere books are sold. Get your copy now and get writing. So today I'm going to read to you a wonderful poem from the section in this book called Dirt. And this poem is called Rhythms of Dirt by a dear friend of mine, Anne McGuire. Rhythms of Dirt. I grab the shovel and bury the voices that have held me back and almost had their way with me. I send them deep into the earth where their screams only wake the worms. They turn and churn in cacophony until they break into slender strings of sound, anger and resentment swallowed by deep, cool earth. The strings twirl and rise upward, pushed to the surface by ageless rhythms of dirt, ready to accept the message I choose to plant. I am here and ready to grow my song. Rhythms of Dirt by Anne McGuire, in my new book, Writing by Heart. Have an amazing day.